Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, so they came out with jobless claims this morning, and the Fed has come in with all kinds of additional steps, $2.3 trillion in loans, talking about buying high-yield corporate debt, things like that. So it's heading up towards that 2787 fib level that I talked about in the evening webcast last night. If you didn't have a chance to check that out, go ahead and check it out. And basically you've got the upper band at 27.99. You've got the 50-day exponential at 27.98. You've got a fib level at 27.87. Price is trading 82 and change. So that's all in play today. On the hourly chart, you can see them trying to challenge all of that. It's actually, the upper band's actually expanded up to 2,800. Bollinger Bands are moving targets because as the range expands or contracts, it expands or contracts with price. So there's your upper band up to the minute. So they popped it on jobless claims and on the Fed. They brought it back in a little bit in and around the area of the 36. You had the hourly mid-band here. You had volume weighted average price. You had our proprietary moving average. So we tried it both ways, and then we ended up getting into a long against the 34, 30 to 36 area, and we're still riding that now. So it's been a solid little morning. So you see on the hourly chart, it's trying to break to the upside, do a little volatility expansion. 2,800 is going to be big. I still think, though, as you get into the back half of the day, the ultimate question is going to be, who wants to be long and out of their positions for 72 hours? Now, maybe that ends up being some kind of a blow-off top situation. Maybe it comes in earlier than that. I'm making no assumptions, and the room has a long setup going. But you have to take your profits where you find them, let trades work, roll up runners, and lock it in. Because if they do reverse it hard, you want to end up, having a really big trade and a really big day. So that's going to be our focus, finishing a very strong week even stronger, and then heading into the weekend. So we're going to open officially in about 15 minutes. So this is going to be a short video. But take care, be safe, be healthy. Happy Passover to everybody who's celebrating. Very happy Easter to everybody who's celebrating. The markets are completely closed tomorrow. There's no Globex, no regular session, nothing. They will open up 6 p.m. Sunday night, and we'll go from there. Take care. Trade them well. Have a great weekend. I'll do an evening webcast Sunday night. We'll hop into Monday. What better time to start the room. Take care. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.